how to make an informed decision. Many people come to therapy because they are struggling to make a decision in their life. There are a couple of tips that can help you when you are trying to make an important decision in your life. So one of them is considering the costs and benefit of making this decision. And writing this list gives you a real data that what's going to happen if I make this decision, and how it's going to cost me and how it's going to benefit me. Another tip for making a good decision is to pay attention to the timing of our decision. So if I make this decision now, what's going to happen to my current situation of life, and what's going to happen in future? Sometimes some of our decisions affecting us in a positive way in the present moment, but in the long term, the benefits tend to go away. So it's important for us to know the cost and benefit in present and also in the future. And the third tip for making a decision is to see if the decision that we are trying to make is in congruence with our identity. So by identity, I mean the values that we have, the person who we are or who we want to become. So the question is, if I make this decision, will this help me to become the person who I want to be or not?